In the last video, we took a look at using window and record notes. In this one, we're going to have a look at using comments against purchase orders and sales transactions. Comments can be entered in one of two styles. They can be either named transactions, which have been predefined on the system, or they can be unnamed transactions, which are entered on an ad hoc basis. If we want to create a named comment, this is done on the administration series under Setup, Company, and Comments. This opens the comment setup window. If we do a lookup on the comment ID, you can see we've predefined two comments on the system already. First for purchasing, which we'll use to apply the purchase orders to instruct the supplier to call 30 minutes prior to delivery. And the comment we have predefined for sales is informing the customer that our driver will call 60 minutes before arriving on site to make the delivery. To use the comment on a purchase order, what we do in purchase order entry is start raising the PO. And at the bottom of the screen, we have the comment ID. And in here, we can either do a lookup for the existing comment that we've created on the system, and then we can use the expansion arrow to customize the comment. Or alternatively, what we could do is create a custom comment just by hitting the expansion button and keying it in. We can also, against each line on the purchase order, enter a comment. So each line can have its own comment related to that item. And when the purchase order is printed off, it'll print off next to the line. The same principle applies within the sales series, where on sales transaction entry, we can enter comments against the order itself or against individual lines. In sales, however, we can go one stage further. Under Tools, Setup, Sales, we've got the Sales Order Processing option. And against each of the document types, we can define a comment ID that should be used as a default. So if I pull in our call 60 minute prior named comment and save the change away, next time I raise a sales transaction, that comment is going to default in. If we raise this sales order, you can see when we print this order off, and I'll just send it to screen for ease of visibility, you can see that against the order, the comments have been printed at the bottom. If we'd used a line comment, that had been printed alongside each line. So that's a quick overview of using named and unnamed comments. In the next video, we'll take a look at using quick and recurring journals.